Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to reset network adapters in Windows 11 if you are experiencing problems like no internet connection, Wi-Fi not working, Ethernet issues, or network settings that just will not cooperate. Resetting your network adapters can often solve the problem. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard. Now click the Network and Internet from the left pane. Now scroll down on the right side and select Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click the Network Reset. On the next screen, you will see a brief explanation that this process will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and restore networking components to their default settings. Click the Reset Now button. When prompted, click the Yes to confirm. Windows will notify you that your PC will automatically restart in 5 minutes. You can wait for the automatic restart or save your work and restart your computer immediately. After your PC restarts, Windows will reinstall your network adapters automatically. Keep in mind that you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and re-enter the Wi-Fi password if necessary. Also, any custom network settings, VPN configurations, or manually assigned IP addresses will be reset to their default values. That's it. Your network adapters have now been successfully reset. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GearUpWindows and press the notification bell so you can never miss our latest Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.